Welcome back to our educational channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the two fundamental teaching models, instructor-centered teaching and learner-centered teaching. Let's get started. The instructor-centered teaching, also known as the pedagogical approach, follows a conventional or traditional method where the instructor or teacher holds control over the entire learning process. The purpose of this approach is to help students acquire new skills and knowledge. In this model, learners are dependent on the instructor for guidance and direction. The instructor is responsible for delivering content and facilitating the learning experience. Students play a more passive role, absorbing information and following the teacher's lead. On the other hand, the learner-centered teaching, also referred to as the andragogical approach, puts the learner at the forefront. In this model, learners are mostly self-directed and take responsibility for their own learning. Learner-centered teaching goes beyond simply receiving knowledge. It emphasizes the learner's active role in interpreting and applying that knowledge. It encourages self-evaluation, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This approach is particularly suited for teaching adult learners who bring their life experiences and perspectives to the learning process. In a learner-centered environment, the instructor serves as a facilitator, providing guidance, resources, and support. The focus is on creating an engaging and interactive learning experience that empowers learners to explore, collaborate, and construct their own understanding. Both instructor-centered and learner-centered teaching models have their merits and applications. The choice between the two often depends on factors such as the nature of the subject, the learning goals, and the characteristics of the learners. As educators, it's crucial to be aware of these teaching models and adapt our approaches to create a balanced and effective learning environment. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each model, we can cater to the diverse needs of our students and promote their growth and development. We hope this video has shed light on the basic teaching models, instructor-centered teaching and learner-centered teaching. If you found this information valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.